Have you ever created a pivot table in Excel and thought, where's my profit or profit margin? In this video, I'll show you how to add a calculated field in Excel without changing your original data. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with a simple sales data set. Here we have sales and cost. But we do not have profit or profit margin. And that's exactly where calculated fields help us. First, select your entire sales dataset by pressing Ctrl+A. Press Ctrl+T to convert it into an official Excel table. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked, then click OK. Now go to the Table Design tab and rename the table to Sales Data. This is optional but recommended, because tables automatically expand when you add new data. Now go to Insert, click Pivot Table, choose from Table Range, insert in a new worksheet, and click OK. Now let's build a simple pivot table. Drag product to rows, drag sales to values, and drag cost to values. Let's format these numbers properly. Select the sales and cost values in your pivot table. Right-click, and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab. From the category list, select Currency. Set the decimal places to 0, then choose the currency symbol. Click OK. Now we can clearly see total sales and total cost by product in our pivot table. But there's still one key metric missing: profit. Click anywhere inside your pivot table. Go up to the Pivot Table Analyze tab on the Excel ribbon. Then click Fields, Items and Sets. From the drop-down, choose Calculated Field. A dialog box will appear. In the name field, type Profit. Now move down to the Formula box. Delete anything inside it. Then type equals, select the Sales field, and click Insert. Add a minus sign, then select the Cost field, and again click Insert. Now click Add, then click OK. Now your pivot table shows profit without modifying the original data. Let's go one step further. Go back to Pivot Table Analyze tab. Then Fields, Items and Sets, and select Calculated Field. Now, name it Profit Margin. Type this formula equals profit divided by sales. Click Add, and OK. Now we see profit margin, but it shows currency. Select the value. Simply right-click the values, choose number format, select percentage, set it to 1 or 2 decimal places, and hit OK. Just like that, your pivot table now includes profit margin. Are you using pivot tables for work, study, or business reporting? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, like this video, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.